Let's solve this equation using U substitution. There we go. And we got x to the fourth minus 13x squared plus 36 equal to 0. First step in the U substitution. Let the variable part of the middle be u, and the variable part of the first be u squared. So this becomes u squared minus 13u plus 36 equals 0. Step 2, solve for u. Well, this is the PST method. We got u squared, u, no number in front of u squared. So PSD, we take our number at the end, 36, excluding signs. If it was a negative 36, we'd still just take 36. And we come up with our three columns. The P columns will be all the products give us 36. We got 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 5, no, 6 times 6. The S column, we add these numbers together. 1 plus 36 is 37, 2 plus 18 is 20, 3 plus 12 is 15, 4 plus 9 is 13, 6 plus 6 is 12. Difference column, subtract smaller from larger. 36 minus 1 is 35, 18 minus 2 is 16, 12 minus 3 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 6 minus 6 is 0. Number we're looking for is a number in our middle term, which is 13, which is right here, which means we're going to use 4 and 9. So we got 4, we got 9. Our larger number in the P column that we're using, which is 9, is always going to be the same sign as the middle term, which is negative. Now the number we circled is in the S column, S for same signs, both positive, both negative. Since this one's already negative, then this one has to be negative. So they're the same signs. Now zero factor property. You get 0 on one side, you factor the other side, you set each factor equal to 0. So set u minus 4 equal to 0, and u minus 9 equal to 0. So we get u is equal to 4, and u is equal to 9. Step 3. Plug u equals blank back in and solve for x. Well, in this particular problem, we said u is equal to x squared. It's always the variable part of the middle up here. So we're going to replace the u with x squared. So we've got x squared is equal to 4, and x squared is equal to 9. Now to solve for x in this one, we're going to use the square root property. If you got something squared equal to the other side, that's square root property. You drop your squared, and you put a plus or minus square root around the other side. Here I'll drop my squared and put a plus or minus square root around the other side. Now 4 is 2 times 2, and 9 is 3 times 3. Now we're looking for a pair of somethings with square roots. Here's a pair of 2s, so the pair of 2 is going to come out as a single 2. So we've got x is equal to plus or minus 2. And here we got a pair of 3s, so they'll come out as a single 3. So we got x is equal to plus or minus 3. And those would be our answers.